Everyone, welcome back. String formatting with alignment and padding, exploring advanced string formatting technologies to align and pad strings, including using the format method with align specifier. Now let's see about what is string formatting. String formatting is also known as string interpolation. It is the process of inserting a techniques, strings or variables in predefined text. A data specifier used it to insert a title in a graph, show a message or error, or pass a statement to a function. Next, scopes of string formatting. In this article, we can discuss how to format Python string formatting in influencing things in the string dynamically, and the presenting the string. We will learn about formatting the string in the following ways: formatting with format specifier, formatting using if string, formatting using format string method. Introduction to format string. String formatting is a way to insert a variable or another string in a predefined string. We can use various methods to string formatting. In Python, to manipulate strings, we can use format specifier like other program language to perform string formatting. We can also use the format method and def strings to manipulate string in Python. Now let us see about string formatting in Python using format specifier. Like other program languages, we can also use format specifier to format strings in Python. Format specifier are used with the percentage operator to perform string formatting. The percentage operator, when involved on a string, task a variable or tuple of variables or inside and place the variables in the specified format specifier. Following specifier in a table of the most commonly used format specifier to define different type of input variables like format string in the Python use formatting specifier, data types of variables, and format specifier. In this string, percentage is data type of the variable single character, format specifier is percentage %c. Data type of variable floating point decimal, format specifier is percentage %f. Data type of variable is floating point exponential, format specifier is percentage %e. Data type of variable is integral decimal is format specifier is percentage %d. Next, let us see about example programs. To format a string in Python using format specifier, we put the format specifier in the predefined statement at the position that the variable is to be inserted. Then we insert the variable into the string using the percentage operator as follow. This is the example code. My code 1117. My name scalar. My variable 1234. My string variable is 2 and code of 0 is 1. Form my name, my code, my variable. Print my string, then output is variable is 1234 and code of the scalar is 1117. Next, we will specify the decide numbers to format specifier of the insert two or more variables into the string, then we will pass a tuple of variables as input to the percentage operator. The percentage operator insert the variables at the specified position in a serial manner or following example code. My code 177, my name scalar, my string code of percentages is percentage D. My name, my code print my string. Then the output is code of string is 1117. Specifying variables with the correct data type for each format specify is imported, otherwise the type error expression is raised as follow. My code 177, my name scalar, my string code of percentages is percentage D, percentage my code, my name, print my string. Output is this is the error because trace back most recent call list file the year there is error because my code type error percentage d format in number is required not string. For number we require the string, we require the format not string. Next, string formatting in Python using fstring. Formatting strings or fstrings or string literals that can be used directly to insert variables into predefined strings to format string. Using fstrings, we only need to put variables names into playhoods. Mad using QL brace, the value of the variables defined in the placeholder is automatically updated by the Python interpreted upon execution of the program as follow. This is an example code for the string. My code 1117, my name scalar, my string, f code of my name is my code. Print my string, then output is code of scalar is 1170 117. F-string have an advantage over format specifier. We don't need to worry about data type. So input variables we also don't need to worry about the order of input variables as we have to specify variables names directly into the placeholder. Formatting string formatting in Python using fstring. Formatting string or fstrings or string lateral that can be used directly to insert variable into predefined string to format string using fstring. We only need to put variable names into placeholder made using curly brace. The value of the variable defined in the placeholder is automatically updated by the Python interpreted upon execution of the program as follow. This is example program we use for using string formatting. My code 1117, my name scalar, my string f code of my name is my code. This is my name in flower bracket, my code in flower bracket. Then print my string. Output is my code of scalar is 1117. Next, syntax of the format method in Python. The syntax of the format method in Python is as follows: my string format value 1, value 2, value 3. Here, my string is a string containing placeholder for the variables to the insert value 1, value 2, value 2, value 3 input up to value n, or the input variables to be inserted into my string. In the format method, we will pass input argument greater than the number of placeholder in my string. Only the variables equal to the number of placeholders are inserted into the string, and the rest of the input argument are ignored as follow. How does the format method works in Python? The format method can take input argument in three ways. We will talk about that and we discuss about that. Working with difficult argument, the difficult may the format method takes input in that we will simply pass the variable as input argument. When the method is involved on a string, it passes the value in the corresponding placeholder. In the string, one by one, in this case, we have to pass input argument in the same order. They have to be inserted into the string. Next, we see about working with position argument. Inserting of empathy placeholder, we can use the position of the input argument. By inserting them into the string, we fill the index of input variables in the placeholder in the string, and during execution, the input arguments are inserted into the string according to this position. In this method, we are not required to pass the input arguments in the same order. They are to be inserted into the string. Inserted, we can specify the placeholder where a particular variable will be inserted. String formatting using the format method in Python. Now let us see this. Yeah. We can also perform different operations like trunching, padding, and arguments on the string. In Python, using the format method, argument of string using the format method in Python. For the argument of strings, we use the same syntax we also use for the argument of numbers. To left align a string, we can use the greater than n symbol inside the placeholder. Here n is the total length of the required output string. In string scalar, my string is scalar. This is the example program. My string is scalar. My string left aligned string with the length 10 is greater floor bracket greater than 10. Format my string. Now print the my string. Then we get the output. Left aligned string with length 10 is scalar. Next, padding string using the format string method in the Python. We use the some syntax we use for alignment operation to perform padding on the string. Alignment is a specific type of padding in which the padding characters in is the space characters to pad strings with other characters. We can use the syntax as defined below. Here we assume that we have to pad the string. Then use the character multiplication character. I mean this star. To pad a string on the left side, we use the greater than n symbol inside the placewood. Here n is the total length of the required output string. Next we see the example program for this Python formatting class member using the format method in Python. Class website def int self. Self name is equal to double inverted comma interview bit. Website is equal to website. My string is equal to double inverted comma padded website name with name on center of the length 20 is my print my string. Then output we get for this program is padded website name with name on center and length 20 is interview bit. Next, we come for this conclusion. String formatting is also known as string interpolation. It is the process of inserting a custom string or variables in predefined text. We can format the strings in the following ways: with format specifier, using if strings, using format string method. The whole style formatting method use the percentage operator and can be used with various data type. The new style formatting method use curly brace, flower brackets and can format string with multiple variables. If strings are a newer and simpler way to formatting strings that use the F profile prefix and allow for incline excision. String formatting allows for customization of output and improve use exponential. Thank you.